Thyme. Thyme is an herb that is popularly used in cooking for its distinctive taste and smell. Thyme has long been known for its medicinal qualities, in addition to its culinary uses. Thyme has become a well-known natural remedy due to its impressive ability to enhance the immune system and fight off microbial infections. One of the key components of thyme that gives it its distinct properties is thymol. One of its main components that gives it its unique characteristics is thymol. Thymol is a natural compound located in the essential oil obtained from herbs. Thyme has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It is recognized for its antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral qualities, thus making it a powerful natural remedy for a variety of pathogens. Thyme has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat respiratory conditions such as coughs, colds, and bronchitis. Thyme has long been utilized in conventional medicine to address issues related to the respiratory system, such as coughs, colds, and bronchitis. The antimicrobial qualities of certain herbs can help combat infections and reduce inflammation in the respiratory system, providing relief from symptoms. In addition to its respiratory benefits, thyme also supports the immune system. In addition to its respiratory benefits, thyme also offers support to the immune system. A strong immune system is essential for sustaining good health and defending against illnesses and infections. Thyme can help to boost the immune system by promoting the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for defending the body against harmful organisms and foreign substances. Thyme is also rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that protect the body against free radicals. Thyme is packed with beneficial compounds that shield the body from harmful free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that have an unbalanced number of electrons and are highly reactive. These molecules can cause damage to cells, leading to various diseases such as cancer. By consuming regularly, you can increase your antioxidant intake and reduce the risk of oxidative stress and damage. Moreover, thyme has been found to have anti-inflammatory properties. It has been discovered that thyme possesses anti-inflammatory qualities. Chronic inflammation is a widespread factor that can contribute to many illnesses, including heart disease, arthritis, and certain forms of cancer. Thyme has many health benefits, including reducing inflammation in the body. This can help with the prevention and management of some illnesses. Aside from its immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory effects, thyme has also been studied for its potential anti-cancer properties. Aside from its beneficial effects on the immune system and inflammation, thyme has also been studied for its potential cancer-fighting properties. Some studies have shown that a certain compound found in certain herbs can inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. Early research suggests that there may be promising anti-cancer effects. Further research is needed to understand these effects in full. Thyme can be incorporated into your diet in various ways to reap its health benefits. Thyme can be used to incorporate a variety of health benefits into your diet. Thyme is a fragrant herb that can be used to enhance the flavor of a variety of dishes. It can be used fresh or dried, added to soups and stews, or brewed into a tea. Thyme oil can be used as a supplement or for topical application, but it is important to dilute it properly before use. Despite its many benefits, thyme should be consumed in moderation, especially by pregnant women or individuals with certain medical conditions. Despite its many benefits, moderation should be observed when consuming this herb, particularly for pregnant women or individuals with specific medical conditions. It is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before using any natural remedy therapeutically. In conclusion, thyme is not only a versatile culinary herb, but also a powerful natural remedy with immune-boosting and antimicrobial properties. In conclusion, this herb is not only a versatile culinary ingredient, but also a powerful natural remedy with immune-boosting and antimicrobial properties. Its active compound provides various advantages to health, such as support for the respiratory system, enhancement of the immune system, antioxidant protection, and anti-inflammatory effects. It is important to use herbs and spices in moderation and seek professional advice if needed. By utilizing the benefits of natural remedies, you can improve your health and well-being.